Hey everybody. Okay, so today we're going to do what I got at the Summer Winds Nursery, and I'm going to be doing two of these, so stay tuned for this video and we'll get back to the next video in a chance. See you there. Okay, so I got some seeds from Summer Winds Nursery. I went with my husband and we've got a bunch of them. So starting with, we have this winter squash. It's a butternut, and it is also one of their organic versions of it. I planted one of these outside. I haven't seen it sprout up, but I think the location is a little bit too wet for it, so I'll have to try again. I have another one in here, in that right there, that I'm hoping to see if I can just transfer it out. Okay, so I did plant these going from earliest to latest growing. So I kind of have these backwards a little bit right here, but we have the snowball cauliflower. I have this planted. I planted a Copenhagen market cabbage, and then these are 65 days. This one was, what's up in the back? This is a 100-day grower to maturity. I did not plant the flat cabbage just because I kind of ran out of space because I was trying to go according to the package. So I'm going to try planting that one again later. We got two butter crunches. I planted both of these. This one is organic. This one right here. And then this one is just the regular kind of non-organic version of it. And these are also 65 days as well. Another 65-day grower is, oh my bad, 45-day grower is this black seed Simpson lettuce. I have that growing, and in between the lettuce rows should be this white Lisbon scallion, and this is a 60-day grower, so it should be in between these right here. Moving to the spinach, I have a Bloomsdale long-standing spinach. I'm not 100% that these sprouted or not. And then I have these Avon spinach, and these are 42 and 44 day growers. This cabbage right here, this red acre cabbage, I have not been able to grow this one yet because the original packet we got was completely flat and empty. So we went back to the nursery today and we just replaced this one. It was really nice. They just let us take this packet and they took the other packet that was completely empty. Let's see if I can find the right receipt. Okay, so altogether, if you sign up, they get a little bit of a bonus for discounts with them. So altogether, my total was $46.10 because my husband made an account with them. And my original total was $52.17, but the discount was about $8. And then I have some more outside that we are going to see what we got, but I'll do that in another video. So these are all the different ones with the onions. I did get two of these, so that one over there is open. I just didn't want to lay it down. And then this one is closed. But yeah, I think all of these are really nice and everything like that. I've seen all of them sprout up, I think, so far. I'm not 100% on this one, if it has or not, or with this one, because this one kind of looks like grass, and I'm not sure if I'm seeing this one correctly or not. But I am positive that this one's growing, so I'll show you guys that in here in a little bit. But it's just a quick look, so if you guys could like, comment, and subscribe, that'd be really nice and appreciative. And I will see you guys very soon on another video. Hope you guys are having fun.